everyone! Nakakita ka na ba na nag-yellow waterfalls? Watch this!
And this is South Korea's EOB Ice Valley.
We booked this trip at Klook Up. May winter fantasy at frozen moment. Bucket list check! Here's the details of the package that we booked. It is letter A. It includes 3 locations at kasama na dyan ang mga entrance fees and bus transport. For the whole day, it costs 2,225 at may discount ka pa when you use my Klook promo code RudyandKlook.
Tara guys, let's go!
The meeting location is at Shinsegae Duty Free at Myeongdong Station. Ayan, may hawak siyang flag, may bus na nakapark sa gilid, madali lang mahanap. And of course, please be on time.
This is Stella, our tour guide, na mag-message sa'yo, mag-email kung saan ang meeting point. And now, let's go to the first stop. That is EOB Ice Valley. Make sure you have your own crampons or pwede ka rin naman bumili kay Stella worth 8,000 won isang pair. For our safety and to avoid accidents na din. Be honest guys, ito yung first encounter namin na may snow. Kaya naman sobrang saya namin at na-enjoy talaga namin. We are given 1 hour to stay in this wonderful place. Feeling ko tuloy ako na si Elsa. Honestly, the view was totally worth it. Just like that, an hour just passed. And now, we are moving to the next stop, Nami Island. Look at the view, sobrang ganda. But bago kami pumunta ng Nami Island, nag-lunch muna kami and we tried this dak galbi. Galbi is their Korean food, which is spicy chicken, chewy rice cakes, and all the flavors mixing together. This is so good. Definitely hit the spot. And look at that, that's the zip line going to Nami Island. But for us, we are using the ferry boat. It's way cheaper using the ferry. Unlike the zip line, it costs around $37. Crossing the river is around 5 minutes. Yahoo! We are now here at Nami Island. Nami Island is really famous tourist destination. Lalo na pala pag winter kasi ang dami mong activity na pwedeng gawin dito. And you know what? This place is really magical. What a lovely treat. Siyempre, hindi tayo papahuli sa winter sonata na sobrang famous pala na K-drama dito sa Korea. Naku, nakakabitin pala ang 3 hours. Hindi talaga yun enough. Sobrang ganda dito. Ang daming pwedeng gawin. But for now, let's move to the third and last location, and finale, the Garden of Morning Calm, Winter Edition. Did you know guys that the Garden of Morning Calm is already stunning year-round? But during winter, grabe, it transforms into a magical wonderland. Kasi yung Winter Light Festival or Lighting Festival, this is really actually one of Korea's most famous winter illuminations. And of course, what I appreciate is meron silang snack stalls like yung bentahan ng sweet pancakes, fish cake, roasted sweet potato. So hindi ka talaga magugutom din. That's all for now. What are you waiting for? Book this at Klook and use my promo code RudyandKlook. Please follow us for more.